Hi everyone and welcome to the video or the channel. Today we're going to see how we can use AI to help us do keyword research, predominantly from Google's search engine results pages. But we're not going to go into Chat-GPT because I've already done that, and this is the end result. So this is like the things you can use, right? But have no fear, AI did have a hand in this. So as an example, we're going to ask the very, very important question of how to buy an RV. These are important things we want to cover on this channel, and use that as sort of the topic that we want to investigate. Now, the first thing I did here was went to Answer the Republic, one of Neil Patel's babies, or I think acquisitions, if you want to get technical. The reason why I do this version is because I'm kind of just looking for a wide variety of questions that relates to the topic I'm doing research on, and that would give me a very quick way to put that into Google search and see what other people do in terms of like the keywords they're using. So, and how do we do this? So if you want to click on one of these entries, you can do so. The color should change if we actually mouse over it. But see, here we go. There's a bit of a lag. Sorry about that. So I've already done this, anticipating the lag, and it actually from Answer the Republic, it goes and opens a new tab, and then in Google Search, so you can see the search engine results for that question. The problem with Google's search engine results pages are that it's usually limited to 10, and you can't really copy and paste out of it, and you can't really get to the links really quickly. So we need to kind of work around this to give ourselves the best chance of collating all of this into one place so we can shove it onto our keyword research and manipulate it further. So the first thing you want to do is click on this cog thing here at the top. Go to quick settings. I've taken some screen prints here in my my very professional looking presentation thing. This is just so when you click on that cog, you go to quick settings, then look for this button that says see all search settings. You can see I've taken like screen prints of the rest of the thing. So if we do get stuck, I'll be referring to this. But you click on that button, and then and in the meantime, whilst we hop between the tabs here, you get to this page. It's called the search settings page, and you're looking for the results per page sort of slide bar. Slide that all the way to 100. And then the next thing you want to do is go to Google Chrome, the Google Chrome Web Store, and download or the kind of add-on for Chrome called G-Infinity. So the first thing is in what we've done with in the search settings page is we've just extended the search pages to, rather than holding just 10 entries, we can hold 100 now. And with G-Infinity, every time you get to the bottom of that page, G-Infinity will just add the next page on and the next page on as far as you scroll down. So I've done this already with our very important life-changing search query, how to buy an RV. And then here is how AI comes into play. What I've done is I've created a bookmarklet, a JavaScript bookmarklet that then takes the titles and the descriptions and the links and puts it into a grid. And then what I can do then is copy that into a spreadsheet. So it's kind of keyword research, competitor research, all wrapped into one. So when you use this, kind of have a broader mindset of its application, because it is quite useful. I find it really useful. So I've created this one. It's called Google SERP Extractor. The way to do that is you take the code, you create a bookmarklet, go to edit, and just paste the. I think I can show you here, and then in the URL section you just add the JavaScript. I'll give you the JavaScript at the end of this video. When I then click on this bookmarklet, what it does is it opens a new tab, and we've named it Google Search Results, and it just builds this table, which we can then copy. I've just highlighted everything because I'm using one hand. And then we can go and paste it really easily into a sheet application. In this case, we're using Google's Sheets. It is quite a few lines here, so I've done the first 2 pages. So I think I'm looking for about 200 entries that we've added. So it takes a while to just sort of go through that and then paste it in. So we're looking for about 200 entries, and we can see we've blown well past 100. So this is really, really helpful. And oh, I've gone too far now. Whoops. But anyway, so it's gone down to 200, which is great. So now I can kind of query my spreadsheet. Before I do that, obviously I will go back to Search the Republic, and do a little bit more research on some of the other questions that is related to this initial query, and then append all those results to my spreadsheet here, and I build a little data structure with it using query language, and that gives me such a good insight on how people tend to use my keywords related to my seed term or my topic of interest. I think that is it for now. So what I'll do is, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll send a link at the bottom where you can go to, and then just add your email address, and I'll send you the JavaScript for this bookmarklet. If you're watching this on something like IG or Instagram, the link will be in the bio. There's some other bits there as well, so if you're interested, have a poke around. If you have any questions, please do contact me for more information. And that's it for now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.